Good morning, students. Welcome back to the EVS class. Today's date is 26th May 2020. Did you remember which lesson we have been doing? Yes, it's lesson number 2, My Family Members. So what is the lesson name? Just repeat after me. Yes, my family members. So we have been discussing in the previous class about the lesson My Family Members. So let's do a quick recap of what we did in our last class. So in our last class, we have read about family, the definition of a family. So what is a family? Yes, a family is a group of people who are related to each other. So these family members might not be living in the same house. They might be in other places, in other location, but they are related to each other, like mother, father, sister, cousins, aunt, uncle, etc. Now there are two types of family. One is nuclear family and the second is the joint family. Now what is a nuclear family? Nuclear family is a small family which includes father, mother and children. Got it? And a joint family is a big family including grandparents and sometimes aunt, uncle and cousins. Now these are the different types of family that we have got, right? Now in this family, in a family, every members, suppose you can say even we, when you do the homework, we get the marks, right? So we earn rewards when we do some work. In the same way, our family members also do different types of works to earn money. Why do they earn money? Yes, to feed the family members. Now, from where do we get our food, our clothes? We need to buy them from the market, right? And to buy it from the market, we need the money. Yes? So, to earn that money, people have to do a certain job. Now, in the same way, our family members do different types of work to earn money. Now, different family members have different jobs such as doctor, business partner, engineer, teacher, artist, etc. So, there are lots of jobs available and our family members include or indulge themselves in these jobs so that they can earn some money. So this is what we have learned in our previous class. Now let's move to the another one. Let's start with the new words today. Read it out with me. Yes, the first word is homework. 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 Next is roles. 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 Then FOOD. Food. Next is CLOTHES. Clothes. STORIES. Stories. ELDER. Elder. SHARE. Share. SPECIAL. Special. BUY. Buy. TOYS. Toys. MANNERS. Manners. SIBLINGS. That becomes siblings, right? Okay, now let's move to the next part of the new words, that is LARGEST. Largest. CHILDREN. Children. BAKTWANG. Baktwang. MIZORAM. Mizoram. LOUDEST. Loudest. TALLEST. Tallest. WIVES. Wives. GRAND. Grand. children, children. That becomes grandchildren. state, state. laughs, laughs. sing, sing, and the last is cook, cook. So these are the few new words that we will be discussing. We will get while discussing the lesson today. Okay, now let's come to the new part of the lesson. Now, in our family we have the family members, right? Yes. Now each of the family members have different roles to play in our family. Now these roles are played in order to support each family members right? Because without the support of the family members, it becomes very difficult for us to run a family. For example, now you have been doing the homeworks, right? Now if your parents were not there, it would have been very difficult for you to do the homework, right? Then if your mother was not there, what will happen? Who will cook the food? Right? It will become difficult. You are not going to get your food regularly on time. So these are few of the roles that are played by the family members. Even when your father and mother, if they have work and they goes to the office, then who comes and takes you from the school? If your grandparents are there, yes, then grandparents will come and take you from the school, or else if your aunt and uncle are there, then they are going to come and take you from the school. So this is how each one of us support one another in a family. Now let's read out the lesson from the book. To run a family, all members have different roles, such as number one is taking care of the children and the elders in the family. So elders take care of the children, and the children take care of the elders, right? Yes. When you do something wrong, your elders, especially your grandparents, your parents, they used to scold you. Yes. And sometimes when your grandparents need something, they are unable to get it, but who helps them? Yes, you're the grandchildren, or you the children helps your grandparents the most, right? So that is how each one of us support each other. Number two is buying things for the house. Yes, if your father goes out to the grocery shop, he used to buy things for the house. Suppose if your mama goes out, she also buys few things for the house. Now whoever goes out, if there is something that is missing, or they want to suppose today I went out of the house to the grocery shop, and suppose my brother likes dairy milk chocolates, obviously I'm going to bring it, right? So that is how everybody take cares. Number three, cooking and serving the food. Number four, cleaning the house. And number five, earning money. Now if you look at the pictures here, what do you see? Yes, family members buying things for the house, and a family cleaning the house together. So if you have to go to the shopping mall, what you do? The whole family goes, father, mother, children, right? You go together, you enjoy your time there, you eat there, you do some shopping there, right? So this is how you shop or you buy things, okay? And when there are celebrations going on, what happens? The whole family comes together, and they used to clean and organize the party or whatever celebration is going to be held together, right? This is one of the fun thing that the whole members come together and do it. Now let's move to the another one. Okay, so how do parents help us? Let's read it out. Now parents, how do they help us? They make food for us. Yes. They buy us clothes and toys. They also play with us. They look after us when we are not well. They help us do our homework, and so on. So, yes, it is our parents who make food for us, right? Yes. and we don't have money, so our parents, whenever our parents or we go for the shopping, our parents used to buy clothes and toys and whatever things we need, whatever the necessary items we want, they used to buy it for us. And also they play with us. Whenever they get the time, they used to play with us. And when we are sick, when we have fever, when we are not well, what happens? Our parents are the most important people who, because they take care of us, and even they get worried when we are sick or ill. And also this is the time when your parents help you a lot doing the homework, right? So these are some of the things that our parents do or help us during as a family member. Next we have siblings. How do siblings help us? Now those who have siblings, it is very fortunate that they have a partner to play with them. So they play with us whenever we are bored, whenever we feel like playing. We can call out to our siblings for helping us in playing. Now next is elder sister or brother helps us with homework. They also take care of us. So those who have elder sister or brother, they know very well that how these siblings helps us, right? Whenever we are unable to do our homework, they are the first one who used to help us out, right? And also they take care of us. Whenever you go to the school, your elder siblings always take care of you, whether you are safe and sound, whether you are doing well in the school or not. Then how do grandparents help us? They teach us good manners and also they tell us stories, right? So these are few of the things or the roles that our family members play within our family. Next, let's move to this one. Be amazed. So there is the world's largest family that has been mentioned in your book. Let's read it out about this family. Meet the world's largest family. Gianna Chana has 39 wives, 94 children and 33 grandchildren. This family lives in the Baktwang village in the Indian state of Mizoram. So it is very near to us, our neighboring state, that is Mizoram. So here we have Gianna Chana, who has how many wives? 39 wives, 94 children and 33 grandchildren. So this is quite a huge family, right? Because it has been termed as the world's largest family. Now if you come to below, you can see that there is a exercise, right? Each family is different. Each member in the family is also different. Do you know what is special about each family member? Find out the following things about your family. Who laughs the loudest? There is always a person in the family member who laughs very loudly. So you have to write the name of the person here. Like your aunt, uncle, who is it? Not the name, but the relation, whether he is a father, whether he is a mother, or your brother or sister, your grandparents, you have to write the relation. Next, who can sing the best? Number 3 is who is the tallest? And number 4 is who is the best cook? So these are the 4 questions that you have to write in the given space. Here, as you can see on the book, as you can see here, the space is given, so you have to write it here. Okay, so let's move to the next one, that is maths fun. Lena lives with her mother, father and 2 brothers. How many family members does Lena have? Lena is a girl, right? She lives with her mother, father and 2 brothers, right? Father, mother and 2 brothers. Yes, and Lena. So how many it becomes? Lena, father, mother, the one brother and the second brother. So how many family members does Lena have? Yes, it is 5 family members Lena have. So here we have completed our chapter today. So what we did today is, yes, the roles of the family members, right? So each of the family member has different roles to play, and with these roles, the family actually binds together. It binds the family members together, and it runs the family smoothly. Then we have come to know the world's largest family members, right? Sorry, world's largest family. Where it is? It is in Mizoram, our neighboring state. It is Jionachana, who has 39 wives, 94 children and 33 grandchildren. So here I am going to wrap it up. So this is what the lesson is about, my family. I have introduced you to the family members and their roles and the jobs, right? So go through the lesson once, and I will be sharing the answers in the WhatsApp group. So here I stop the class. Thank you.